I'm Aubrey, and since moving onto the ocean over 10 years ago with my tiny pink boat, I've been dreaming of a big, beautiful pirate ship. And finally, I did it.
All right, we've installed the starter.
My big kids are almost grown now. And we've seen the beauty of nature and the power of the wind and the magnificence of the sea. Now I have a beautiful new baby on board, and we are about to embark on a brand new adventure from this beautiful pirate ship. We are headed to the Panama Canal. Join us for an adventure of a lifetime.
It feels like it's been forever! Watch out! Hello, and welcome back to Sailing Miss Lone Star. If I'm looking extra fresh right now, it's because I'm in an Airbnb, and I have been for a couple days now. After everything that happened on the boat, I've decided to take just a little bit of time off before going back and planning the next adventure. If you're wondering how we stay connected, the answer is Holafly, which is an eSIM company. And if you're wondering what an eSIM is, it's an embedded SIM card, which means there's no plastic little card to keep track of. It actually lives in your phone, which is the beauty of Holafly. Over the last 10 years of living abroad and sailing around the world, I really wish that I would have known about Holafly sooner. Come along with me and I'm going to show you exactly how we stay connected. Okay, we have just deboarded and reboarded. This is my now third plane. There's going to be a fourth plane today.
When you're moving between destinations all the time, internet just becomes a part of the background.
Arrived without my bags. Everything's closed, and the trains and everything, and they can't find my bag.
Maps loading, checking weather, calling family, uploading something. Figuring out the next step.
Yeah, go pilot.
We get asked a lot how we stay connected while traveling full time. So this video is just a walkthrough of what we actually use and how it fits into real travel days.
Sometimes we are on the boat and sometimes we're flying. Some weeks we're doing both, and it's so important for us to not have to deal with traditional SIM cards. So we love using Holafly for our eSIMs.
That means data needs to work as soon as we arrive, without stopping to buy SIM cards or deal with roaming.
Going?
We use it for navigation, weather, logistics, staying in touch with family, and getting work done while moving. That's where Holafly comes in. It's what we've been using for data while traveling between destinations, and is one of those things that's easy to forget about once it's set up. If you haven't used an eSIM before, it's a digital SIM built into your phone. There's no physical card to swap or keep track of. You buy it online, install it in a couple of taps, and your regular SIM stays active. Same number, same WhatsApp, same contacts, no problem. The eSIM just handles the data while you're traveling. With unlimited data, we're not watching usage or turning things off. Holafly works in over 200 destinations, and they offer regional eSIMs and global eSIMs too, which makes it easy when plans change or routes shift.
They live!
You pay for the duration you need from 1 to 90 days, without extra fees popping up later. It allows hotspot sharing, which has been useful when we're working on land or using multiple devices. For how we travel, it's been reliable and straightforward. Buying and installing it is simple. You can purchase through the Holafly website or the app. Once you buy the eSIM, it's delivered almost immediately by email or WhatsApp. Installation usually takes scanning a QR code or using a one-tap setup on newer phones. The app also checks phones' compatibility before you buy, which removes the guesswork. One thing that matters when you're in different time zones is support. Holafly offers 24/7 customer service, which is helpful if anything comes up while traveling. They're used by millions of travelers worldwide and have strong independent reviews, which made it easy for us to try it in the first place.
And sometimes we're on tiny planes in very remote places in the world, and that's why eSIMs are so convenient for us. So check out Holafly.
Holafly also has a subscription plan perfect for frequent travelers or if you're going away on a long journey. It's one single eSIM that works in over 160 destinations. And it comes with Always On feature that gives you 1 GB per month after your plan expires, or if it's paused, so you're always covered. If you're traveling between destinations and want an easy data setup, we'll have our Holafly link and discount code in the description below. It supports the channel and it gives you a better rate. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time on Sailing This Lone Star.
And upon our arrival, our cell phones are just going to work because we use Holafly. Thank you so much, you guys. You have made traveling and our cell phones and cell phone service really manageable.
You can find your special Sailing This Lone Star discount code in the link below.
Thank you so much, Holafly, for sponsoring this video and helping us stay connected with no hidden costs and no data caps.